Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Basil. In this video, we are doing a review of BMW S1000RR Pro M Sport variant. Let's go through the technical data. It's a 4-cylinder water-cooled engine, 4 valves and 2 injectors per cylinder. It's an inline engine and it is placed in horizontal way. Power transmission is chain drive. BMW shift cam technology is used in this engine. Also, gear shift assist pro is also there. That means it enables upshift and downshift without operation of clutch. Engine capacity is 999 cubic centimeter. Output is 152 kilowatts or 207 horsepower at 13,500 rpm. Maximum torque is 113 Newton meter at 11,000 rpm. Maximum speed is 299 to 303 km per hour. Weight is 193.5 kg for M package. Tank capacity is 16.5 liters. Reserve capacity is 4 liters. Mileage of the vehicle is 15.6 km per liters. 17-inch alloy wheels are used. Wheelbase is 1441 millimeters. 3 variants are available. First one is standard, second one is Pro, third one is Pro M Sport. Let's look at the brakes. DTC dynamic traction control, ABS Pro, BMW Motorrad integral ABS are there. M calipers are used in the vehicle. In one single caliper there is 4 pistons are there, 2 brake disc in the front and 1 in the rear. So there is no compromise in the brakes. Headlights are LED, also indicators and tail lamps. 2 separate seat for rider and pillion. Handbrake and clutch lever is adjustable. Onboard computer is there. It can control by switches on the handle. This having dynamic damping control. Each wheel has a control unit that monitors movement of the vehicle for 100 times per second and then adjusts the shock absorber appropriately. Handle grip heaters are there. Cruise control is available. Different riding modes are there, such as Race Pro, Launch Control, etc. For reducing the weight of the vehicle, carbon fiber alloy wheels are used. Lightweight battery, that means lithium ion is used. Motorsport color will get only for Pro M Sport variant. One of the safety system is a drop sensor is fitted. If the vehicle drops, engine will get switch off that moment. This bike will be the 5th place on the fastest bike in the world. Video is ending here. Thank you for watching and bye bye. See you in next video.